Tikka chicken biryani. Let's cooking. Is a delicious biryani recipe. Let's make delicious tikka chicken biryani. Take a chicken and add tikka biryani masala. Add ginger and garlic paste. Yogurt. Mixed well. Add oil in pan. Put chicken in pan. Well fried. Now we make a masala for biryani. Add oil and onion in pan. Add tomatoes, garlic, and ginger paste. Mixed well. Boiled rice for biryani. Add oil, salt, and water. Add soaked rice. Add biryani masala. Yogurt. Salt. Add tikka chicken in it. Cooked well. Now we make a biryani layers. Topping with green coriander, food color, and chopped onions. Ready for eat. Mixed well. Now eat and enjoy delicious tikka chicken biryani. Alhamdulillah. Delicious biryani. Thanks for watching.